Officials across the country anticipate we are still weeks away from reaching the peak numbers of U.S. coronavirus cases. Western Mass News is getting answers from local hospitals on just how they're preparing for the surge in cases. And Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in Springfield with more. Audrey.
Some of the reports coming out of New York State can be alarming, especially with respect to ventilator shortages. I spoke with representatives from both Baystate Health and Mercy Medical Center about how they're preparing for a possible surge in coronavirus cases locally.
We have the advantage of having seen what happened in Seattle and New York to do our preparation.
Baystate Health CEO Mark Kerouac expressing optimism that the hospital system has enough ventilators to help patients with severe coronavirus symptoms.
We have 130 ventilators currently, and we have 45 more on order. We currently don't think that we're going to wind up short.
Kerouac said so far, 34 coronavirus patients in Baystate's hospitals have required critical care. According to Kerouac, he regularly checks in with other Western Mass hospitals
to make sure that nobody has more of what they need and that everyone is distributing resources appropriately.
The chief medical officer of Mercy Medical Center, Robert Roos, echoing Kerouac's positive outlook.
We have 43 ventilators right now, and we have currently have significant capacity to treat those patients.
Kerouac and Roos expressed a need for more N95 masks, as have nurses with Berkshire Medical Center. When it comes to bed spaces and treatment options, both local hospitals are ramping up for a surge.
We ultimately believe that at Baystate Medical Center we'll be able to get to 500 beds, 150 of them ICU beds.
We are developing a committee of regional experts to review the latest evidence of treatment regimens, as well as seeking approval to participate in trials for new medications.
Before patients even get to that point, Baystate announced that this week they will test for coronavirus in their main lab in Holyoke, which could help bring their newly constructed triage center into play.
It went through a test run late last week. It's there, it's ready to go should we need it. It's got 30 some odd bays for rapid turnaround testing.
As Chris mentioned earlier today, Governor Charlie Baker announced that 1,000 ventilators have been approved from the federal government for hospitals around Massachusetts. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.